All right, let's compare what it used to look like to what it looks like right now. Look how wide that is, and the white and the black borders and the tips is against there compared to what it looks like now. So it could look like this, or we can keep on working on it and make it look better and better and better, right? Now let's finish up the design here. Hopefully we can do it within one video. Let's, excuse me. Next thing we're going to do is your logo or your butterfly should connect to the home page. So let's click on the link here and link it to the index page. And then preview in Google Chrome. Now you can click it, it goes to the index page. Awesome, it works. Great. Now I have a lot of room here in my website from where the word main content starts to the side of the website over here. So I want to break this up into 2 columns. You know me, I like columns. This is too much work. If it's too wide, let's go to the browser. I want to make 2 columns here. This is very wide, and we can make 2 columns here and make more information. We could even put 3 more columns in here. But let's just do 2 for now because I don't want to make it really hard on you guys. And I want to make the word home smaller. The heading and the level heading here, they're just a little too big. So let's go back to the main content. What is this? This is heading 1. Let's make it heading 2. And let's make the heading 2 heading 3. We'll name it H3. Okay, let's save that. Update, yes. Close. Alright, we're inside of the body content, and I want to put 2 divs in here instead of just 1. But I want to make this div that the body content is in bigger. And that's the main content, isn't it? Container main content. Let's go over here. Let's open this up. Bring this over so we can see what we're doing. Let's go to CSS Designer, main content, width. Let's make it wider. Let's go 700. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, it goes almost all the way to the end. Let's go all the way. Let's go 710. Awesome. Let's preview that in the browser, see what we got. Alright, it goes all the way to the end. Great. Now we're going to put 2 in there inside of here. So what I can do is press enter, and we're going to put a div here. We're going to put 2 divs in here. Insert div. We're going to call this class. Why don't we call it body content underscore, or let me see, body content, yeah, underscore left. Copy that. New CSS rule. Dot body content underscore left. You don't get this new CSS rule very often in Dreamweaver unless you're making a new one through here. So it's kind of fun to be able to do it this way. This document only for right now. We're going to do external CSS. Eventually, going to get it all out of there. Okay. So we're going to click on. This is a class. It's not a tag or a compound or an ID. It's a class. Oh, damn! It went away. Body. Let's try it again. You want to do it again, don't you? Right? Body content underscore left. Okay. Whoops. Damn, I hate when that happens. Let's do it again. Insert div. Paste in body content underscore left. New CSS rule. Okay, body content underscore left, class. This document only. Click on OK. Now, what I want to do is I want to do a background color. Remember from double identity? We want to do, let's do one that's, let me see, orange. Well, I like that orange. Click up here, press enter, and press apply. You're not going to see it over here yet. And then we're going to do the box model. Width, well, our width is 710. What's half of 710? It'd be 350. Let's put in 300s right now, just for now, okay? And we want that to float to the left. We don't want it to clear yet. Padding and margin we'll work on later. Let's click OK. and then click OK again. There we go. Content for class body content left goes here. Okay. Click here, and we're going to insert another div. We're going to paste. Instead of left, we're going to write right. R-I-G-H-T. New class. And then it's body content right. That's fine. Click OK. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to do background, color. Let's do it different. Let's not do orange. Let's do purple. And then for box, we're going to put in 300 again. Same thing. Float left. We don't want it to float to the right. Unless we do, we can put it to the right. I'm going to do left. So it butts right up against the left one. And then we're going to push it over with the margin. Click OK. And click OK again. There we go. Now 300 and 300. Why is it coming down like that? Let's press enter to get this out of the way. I want to take this information actually. Command X and paste it in here. And then I want to put it in here again. Look at that. Why do we have this much room? Let's go to code and see. Ah, there's an H2 there. Fat code. Let's get rid of that. Let's go to design. Now we're good. Now I want to push the main content over a little bit. It has this much space left to go, right? So I could make both of them a little bit bigger and give them some room on the inside. So let's go to the bottom down here, bottom left, body content left, and let's take the margin on the right side and let's put in 25 pixels. There we go. Is that enough? I don't know. Let's put in 30 just to be safe. Now I can do my body content right. I can have the width of it wider. Let's say 325. And let's make the body content left 325 too. Now we have more room. I can still push it over more. I'm going to give my body content left margin 50 pixels. That looks really good. Let's take the colors away from the backgrounds. Let's go to background, get rid of the color, and then go to body content right, go to the background, get rid of the color. Now, let's save it, Command S, update, close. Now let's preview in Chrome. Wow, look at that. Alright, so my columns might be a little too wide. Let me make them a smaller. Body content left. Let's do the width. 310. Let's do the same thing for the body content right, 310. And let's do body content left margin. Let's do 65. Push it over to the right more. Let's save it. Update. Close. Preview in Google Chrome. That looks better. But now I want a little more white space here, and maybe push it over to that will push this one over to the right a little bit. So how do I do that? Well, my sidebar, my main content, the actual main content div that these two are inside of, can be pushed over. Let me see, what do I have? Padding is 20. I don't want to do it that way. How about I go to my sidebar, my side nav, my sidebar 1, sorry, and push the margin over to the right a little bit. How about I push it over about 20 pixels? Let's see what happens. Ah, can't do that. Wrong, 0. There we go, it's back again. Alright, well we can't do it that way. So let's go to the body content left and push it from the left a little bit, 10 pixels. Good, there we go. Now let's preview it in Google. I'm digging that. It might be too close to the top up here, so let's push them down a little bit. Body content left, margin on top, let's say 10 pixels. And then the other one is body content right, top margin, 10 pixels. Let's see how that looks. Preview in Google Chrome. Refresh. That's great. I'm digging it. The bottom could go a little further down too. Let's try that. Let's go to the right side and push it down. Let's say 20 pixels. And let's do body content left. 20 pixels. And preview that. Chrome. Awesome. I love a little bit of extra white space in there. So it looks nice and pleasing. It's easy for the eye to hover and scan around.